Unlock passive income by turning your recommendations into real cash with the Fiverr affiliate program. Step 1. Choose your niche and find the perfect Fiverr services to promote. Think about what your audience is interested in. Are they looking for graphic design help, SEO services, or maybe even voiceovers? The key is to find gigs that genuinely solve a problem or fulfill a need for your target audience. Step 2. Create valuable content that naturally integrates your Fiverr affiliate links. This could be in the form of blog posts, YouTube reviews, social media shoutouts, or even a dedicated resource page on your website. For example, if you're promoting a logo design service, create a video showing how businesses can elevate their brand with professional logos and subtly weave in your link to a highly rated Fiverr designer. Step 3. Strategically place your affiliate links. Don't just spam them everywhere in blog posts. Place links within relevant sentences or at the end of sections where a service is particularly useful on YouTube. Include them in your video description and mention them verbally on social media. Use catchy captions and clear calls to action, like "Need a stunning website? Check out these amazing developers on Fiverr," and then provide your link. Step 4. Drive targeted traffic. Share your content across relevant social media platforms. Participate in online communities and forums where your audience congregates. And consider running paid ads if your budget allows. The more eyes on your content, the more potential clicks your Fiverr affiliate links will receive. Step 5. Diversify your promotions. Don't put all your eggs in one basket. Explore different Fiverr categories and find services that appeal to a broad range of needs. Consider creating comparison articles or top 5 lists featuring services from various providers. This will appeal to a wider audience and increase your chances of earning commissions. By consistently creating valuable content, understanding your audience, and strategically placing your Fiverr affiliate links, you can effectively drive traffic and significantly boost your affiliate earnings. Start promoting today and watch your commissions grow.